Dear students, these are some another formulas you have to use now. Okay, you should remember this formula also. First one, a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. This one how we can use here. Okay. So exercise 2.5. Number 4. What is given? Expand this one using suitable identities. X plus twice y plus 4z whole square. Okay. This is in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. This one equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice a b plus twice b c plus twice c into a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into c into a. Okay. So x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 8yz plus it is 16yz plus 8zx. Okay. See another one. Number 6. 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. Okay. What is a here? 1 by 4a. b is minus 1 by 2b plus c is 1. Okay. So here also you have to apply this formula. A square 1 by 4a whole square. A square plus b square plus c square. Okay. Plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into c into a. Okay. So it is 1 by 16 a square plus minus minus plus 1 by 4 b square plus 1 plus these two you can cancel. This will be plus minus minus plus this one is minus plus minus minus 1 by 4 a into b ab plus minus minus these two cancel. This one will be minus b plus 2 and 4 this one you can cancel 1 by 2 a. Okay. So this will be your answer. So like that, using the identities you can expand. Always you remember this is the original formula. Original formula is which one? A plus b plus c. All are plus sign, is that it? All are plus sign. So always you take the values including their signs. Okay. Next is factorize. Number 5. 2. Factorization. What is given? Twice x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. Okay. So this one you see in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. Now you have to convert according to the formula. Okay. So this one you have to make a square. 2. How can you make it a square? If you take it root 2 and x whole square. Then after calculation, this will be root 2 into root 2 is 2, x square is x square, okay? So this one you can convert to root 2 to doing it square plus y square plus z square. That means this one you have to take it is square. Square 8. How can you take it square? 8 is 2 into 2 into 8. Factorization is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So this one is a pair. So if you take it square root, this will be 2 root 2. So 8 का square root होता है 2 root 2. So this will be 2 root 2 z whole square. Now what you find? This one is a, this one is b and this one is c. Formula क्या था? a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus 2 into a into b. Now one question is there. According to the formula it is plus, but here this term it is minus. ये टर्म है माइनस, बट फॉर्मूला में क्या है? ये टर्म है प्लस. दैट मीन्स एनी वन ऑफ द टर्म विल बी माइनस. नाउ व्हिच वन इज माइनस, दैट वन यू हैव टू सर्च. कौन सा माइनस है तुम लोगों को ढूंढना पड़ेगा. नाउ सी, ये टर्म में ए बी कॉमन है, ठीक है. ये टर्म में है ए बी. This term is including BC, this term is including CA. अभी देखो ये टर्म और ये टर्म माइनस है. That means which term is common for both this one and this one, that one will be your minus sign. यहाँ पर A और B है, यहाँ पर A और C है. That means the term A will be minus. So if I give here minus, then this one will be minus. Okay. So now if you open the bracket, this will be plus minus minus. Is it clear? So a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice b c plus twice C A. Okay. Now see, this is 2 root 2 xy minus 2 root 2 xy. Same है. 2 2s are 4 root 2 yz. 4 root 2 yz. ठीक है. Plus minus, this one will be minus. Okay. Plus minus minus. 2 2s are 4. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. Z and x. Z and x. Clear? So same हुआ कि नहीं? अभी देखो a क्या है? So it is converted to a square plus b square plus c square plus twice ab plus twice bc plus twice ca. Okay. Now see, this one equal to, according to the formula, a plus b plus c whole square. What is a? A is twice x. What is b? B is y. What is c? C is 2 root 2 z whole square. Okay. So a plus b plus c whole square. It is square and you have to factorize it. So write it 2 times because it is square. 2 root 2 z into root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2 z. This is your factorization. Okay. So question number 6. 1. Write the following cubes in expanded form. Twice x plus 1 whole cube. A plus b whole cube. Formula is, what is the formula? A plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. Okay. So a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice a b square plus b cube. Okay, it is 8x cube plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, x square plus 3 2s are 6, x plus 1. This is your factorization. Number 7. 1. 99 whole cube. 99 you can convert it to this 100 minus 1 whole cube. Now it becomes a minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus minus b cube. This formula you have to apply here. So you have to complete it. इसको complete करना है. ठीक है? Question number 8. Factorize each of the following. Factorize each of the following. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now see, which formula you have to use. In the examination, it is not given which formula you have to use. By seeing the question, you have to understand which formula you have to use. Okay. Now, see this one cube. ये 2 term cube का है, 2 term square का है. That means this formula, this type of formula you have to use either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So the formula is a cube. So make it a cube. 2 root 2 a whole cube. Sorry. 2a whole cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 का cube होता है 8. Okay. Plus b cube. अभी मिल गया ये a, this one is b. So according to the formula, a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a square into b. A square into b plus 3 into a into b square. Okay. Now see 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, a square b. This one and this one is same. इसको तोड़ा. कैसे तोड़ा? According to the formula. Thrice a square b. This one 3 2s are 6, a b square. Formula क्या था? Thrice a b square. Formula था a cube plus b cube plus thrice a square b thrice plus thrice b a b square. ये किसका formula था? a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube. Okay, so twice a plus b, twice a plus b, twice a plus b. So this is your factorization. This is cube, so you have to write 3 times multiplication. Okay.